The water cycle. The water cycle is a sequence of stages that are essential for all life on Earth. It is all about how water is supplied and replenished in this sequence, and the main source which makes this cycle work is the sun. The heat radiation from the sun causes evaporation from the seas and oceans into the atmosphere, where it is then condensed to form clouds. Then, in cooler zones, the air cannot carry so much water vapor. As a result, we get rain, also known as precipitation. Evaporation is the process of water leaving the Earth's surface in water vapor form into the atmosphere. It is in this stage the water transitions from its liquid state to its gaseous state.
Why is the water cycle important? The water cycle is important because it is how water reaches plants, animals, and us. Besides providing people, animals, and plants with water, it also moves things like nutrients and sediment around in the ecosystem. Precipitation is any liquid or frozen water that forms in the atmosphere and falls back to Earth. It comes in many forms like rain, silt, and snow. Precipitation forms in the clouds when water vapor condenses into bigger and bigger droplets of water. When the drops are heavy enough, they fall to Earth.
Condensation is the change of the physical state of matter from the gas phase into the liquid phase, and is the reverse of vaporization. The word most often refers to the water cycle. It can also be defined as the change in the state of water vapor to liquid water when in contact with a liquid or solid surface or cloud condensation nuclei within the atmosphere. What happens during condensation? Is condensation the primary reason for the formation of clouds in the water cycle? Question. The water vapor that rises to the atmosphere is cooled and condensed into tiny water droplets. The accumulation of these water droplets become the clouds on the sky. When these clouds acquire lots of tiny droplets, these droplets will fall, and this process is known as precipitation. That's an example of rain falling out of the sky from the clouds.